Welcome back to another Save a Lot haul. It's been a while since I've done a grocery haul, so I am filming one today. And we were out of everything and needed a ton of different meals, so I'm going to start with the freezer items. So we got some of these Idaho crispy potato puffs, which are just tater tots. Some Texas toast. Sometimes Connor likes to eat these taquitos, the chicken and cheese or beef and cheese, but I find the cheese one or the chicken ones are best. Got a box of the corn dogs from their brand Fairgrounds. Some broccoli and cheese sauce. Got some of these Savannah Classics original Hush Puppies, and I can never find Hush Puppies anywhere, so when I saw these I had to grab a bag, and then I will buy my tilapia at Walmart. And I did get this family pack of ground beef for $5.93. It is 2.5 pounds, so I'm going to cut that in half. I did get a 1 pound pack here in the Pick 5. And also in the Pick 5 I got some chicken breast for some chicken casserole. Cube steaks for the Pick 5. Also in that I picked up some country style ribs. These are boneless. And some thin cut chops. And I also got one of these Smithfield roasted garlic and herb fresh pork sirloin for the crock pot. And then I did get a pack of blade steaks or pork steaks, but there's 3 huge ones in there. So with the meat alone, that is 9 meals. We did pick up one of these Sunny D watermelons to try. Got milk, 2% for some sweet stuff and snacks. We got some of these Little Bites party cake muffins, some cheddar cheese Pringles, some of these raspberry dreamies as they're called, some Reese Puffs, and some fruit slices. Got a 12 count eggs because there's a better deal at Walmart on eggs, but we're Save a Lot. Bologna. Some little smokies. These are good with like cooked up in the morning with like eggs and stuff. These are actually really good for that. And sausage and bacon and biscuits and things like that I like to get at Walmart. And so yeah, didn't get any of that at Save a Lot. I did pick up Connor some of these raspberry flavored Danimals because I have the story on them. And these are new Go-Gurts and they're cookies and cream, so I got those for him to try. I got some of this Nesquik chocolate drink mix and needed some mayo, some butter, some cooking spray here. I did get one of these original Creole seasonings and I needed some syrup, and I got the buttery rich one. We picked up a 100% pure honey, and we picked up one of these, and I can never pronounce it right, so I'm not even gonna try. We picked up a bread, a bag of shredded mild cheddar. I also got a 10-pound bag of potatoes, not shown here, and some water also. And I got a green cabbage, $1.15. That's a pretty good price. I love cabbage. Grapes, got plums, half a cantaloupe, and half of a melon, and bananas. Moving on to cans, I did pick up a sweet potato can, 2 cream style sweet corns, 4 green beans, 2 whole potatoes, 2 sweet peas, a carrot, and cut green bean and shell beans. And I got a can of mustard greens. The whole cabinet was like empty of canned veggie stuff, and I like to make soups and things like that. So I like to have canned veggies on hand when I need them. And also in the freezer, if you're wondering, I keep broccoli and cauliflower and stuff like that in the freezer. I also got a can of the country sausage gravy, 4 cans of the cream of chicken because I'm going to make chicken casserole. And I always split it into 2 pans, so I need 4. And I also have a recipe on that. 2 of the premium chunk chicken breast in buffalo style sauce, and then I also got 4 chunk light tuna and water. That's all for the cans. And finally, last but not least, I did pick up 3 of the chicken flavored stuffing boxes. once again for chicken casserole. And I did get one of these shells and cheddar 4-pack macaroni little bowls here. And then I picked up 2 of these box dinners, and I got the double cheeseburger mac for quick kind of easy nights. And then this one with the garlic bread is delicious, and it's the 4 cheese lasagna. So yeah, and that is my grocery haul. So stay tuned for more recipe videos. Check the description box for additional kitchen links, grocery hauls, things like that. Stay tuned for lots more content. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.